All right, welcome. In this short video, I'm gonna show you exactly how to properly do a Swiss ball crunch, which is really just a crunch using one of these exercise balls here. And now there's a right way and a wrong way to do this. And I'm gonna show you the exact perfect form tips in this video. And you're gonna learn a ton. It's gonna make your ab training a lot more effective. Let's dive in.
FitFatherProject.com.
All right, so I'm set up here on the Swiss ball. First thing I want you to do is make sure that your butt is relatively off the ball. So I'm gonna sit back here. And the first thing I want you to do is have your chin slightly tucked, but still facing the ceiling. And now, normally what you see a lot of people do is they put their fingers behind their ears, they cross them over the chest, and they just do millions of these. Doing millions of those little lame crunches is not gonna get you the core you want. What you wanna do is make this exercise a little more dynamic by having your chin here, and I want you to put your arms behind your head here as a little resistance. It's amazing. Just putting your arm back here adds a pre-stretch to your abs. So your abs are a lot more stretched, and it adds some resistance. So from here, you're gonna crunch up and right on down. Crunch up and right on down. I wanna make sure that you do pre-stretch your abs at the bottom, but make sure you don't release the tension in your abs where you hyperextend your back. That can get a little dangerous. So I want you to keep the tension at all times, crunch up with your arms overhead. Now, as you get stronger, you can even put a little weight in your hand, or I like to use an exercise band or something like that. But here, I want you to do sets of 10 to 15. And you'll find that if you can do 50 of these little crunches, you might only be able to do 5, 10, 15 of these overhead versions. But the key is with core training, it's not doing millions of reps. You're not gonna crunch 1,000 times and eventually have a six pack. Obviously, diet plays a huge role, and I'll mention that in a second. But first off, having the right kind of resistance training by using your arms overhead is gonna make this exercise that much more effective. So I hope that was enlightening, and I hope you now join the crew of people who no longer do the millions of eared up or crunched over Swiss ball crunches, and you start doing these properly, because you're gonna see a lot better results. It's gonna be a lot safer that way. And yeah, so I hope this video was helpful. I also wanted to let you know that if you're here, you're probably looking to get a better core, stronger midsection. You need to know that diet plays 80% of the battle when it comes to getting, toned, lean midsection. So if you don't have that in check, definitely make sure to check out our free one-day meal plan, and we'll just teach you exactly what you should be doing with your eating. Because here at the Fit Father Project, we are on a mission to help men stay healthy for their families. So check out our YouTube channel for more exercise tutorials, more free workouts, that free meal plan, and just really happy you're here, happy to help you. I'll see you very soon around the channel.